Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Dr. Agus Wibowo, SPDI, SPD, MPD, dosen dari Prodi Pendidikan Ekonomi, Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Saya merupakan dosen pembimbing pertama dari mahasiswa yang bernama Arifni Galistasia Putri dengan judul skripsi Pengaruh Media Pembelajaran dan Motivasi Belajar Siswa terhadap prestasi belajar siswa pada jurusan OTKP di SMKN 13 Jakarta. Berikut ini adalah pemaparan hasil penelitian dari mahasiswa saya tersebut. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dan Dr. Agus Wibowo SPDMM as my first supervisor, and I respect Mr. Roni Fasla SPDMM as my second supervisor. First, my name is Arifni Galistasia Putri, student of Office Administration Education Class B 2019, Jakarta State University. I'm here will present my thesis and title The Influence of Learning Media and Student Motivation on Learning Assessment in the Office Management Automation Department and 13th Vocation High School in Jakarta. Next, my background choose to research related to learning motivation and learning media on student learning assessment. The first is the low effectiveness of education in Indonesia. So there are still many schools that have not carried out effective learning, so that the value of effectiveness in the world of education is still relative of low. Apart from that, the rapid effectiveness in the world of education is still too low. Advance of technology also cannot be applied optimal in the world of education. So this is also one of the cause of the low value of the effectiveness of education in Indonesia. The main background that made me interested in this research is how the learning assessment of education in OTP at 13th Vocation High School Jakarta still has a number of students whose learning assessment is relatively too low. With this, I want to explain whatever the factor that makes student assessment low and what higher learning media and give motivation to students have been carried out and have an influence on increasing student assessment in the OTP major it at 13th Vocational High School in Jakarta. Next, there are three formulas of the problem in this study. Namely, the first, does learning media affect student learning assessment? The second, does student learning motivation effective learning assessment as well? And the last three, two variable effectiveness affect student assessment at 13th Vocation High School Jakarta, majoring in Automation Government Office. Next, the purpose of doing this research is find out how learning media student learning motivation will affect student assessment. First, to determine the effect of learning media on student assessment in student majoring in OTKP at SMKN Negeri 13 Jakarta. 2. To find out the effect of profiling student learning motivation on student assessment in student majoring in OTKP at SMK Negeri 13 Jakarta. And last, to determine the effect of learning media and learning motivation together on student assessment in student majoring in OTKP at SMKN Negeri 13 Jakarta. In this student, three updates. The first was I used a simple random sampling technique with the Craig and Morgan formula. The second update was in the research data collection technical, namely I look at the result in the form of report card and look at the three value component, namely knowledge, skill, and practice and distribution of questionnaire. The last update, namely I measure the part of learning media and student learning motivation, but here or not it affects student learning assessment by examining more deeply related to learning media and learning motivation in all technical and learning activity. This is a technological study. In this study, I used the basic theory, namely the TPACK theory, or theory that interests as knowledge to skill with technological advance which are increasingly rapid in the learning process, so that it can facilitate the learning process in line with Suyanto opposition, who said that TPACK theory is knowledge and skilling in integrating technology into the learning. So with that, according to the title, I choose namely the influence of learning media and learning motivation on student assessment. Next, the first supporting theory, namely learning media, is as a variable x1, where in the learning process, learning media has a role that makes it easy to learn material in a role way by utilizing object or media that can be used. In accordance with the opinion of Azhar Arshad, who said that learning media play an important role in technical and learning process to convey message or information that can stimulate student attention and encourage in learning. Learning media has four indicators. The first, the relevance of the learning media used with technical material, and two, teacher ability to use instructional media, easy of use of learning media for teacher and student. 3, availability of learning media used during class learning, and 4, the usefulness of using learning media felt by students so that it can be improved the learning process. Supporting theory of student learning motivation as variable x2, according to Sardiman said that learning motivation is the overall driving force with students that give rise to learning motivation and learning activity, which is guards the quantity of the learning activity process and provides this direction to learning activity so that the goals that have been set can be assessment. Quote by Nasra 22 according to UNO 2012 in his research indicator of learning motivation include 1. The research and the route to success, 2. Exercise of requirement and need in learning, 3. There are hopes and aspiration for the future, 4. There is appreciation in the learning, and 5. They are interest activity in learning. For the theory supporting variable Y, namely student learning assessment in the option, according to Helena Yunia Mega, who said that learning assessment is measure of student learning as question to find out have student impression of are able to research predetermined learning goals, where these goals are accurate from the impression of interaction that occur during learning that bring change in each individual, with several indicators, namely cognitive domain, affectiveness domain or affectiveness domain, and psychomotor domain. There are several Persian students that have similar with this research, and one namely research concept Francisco Butar and Rotua Simanuluang. The result found in this study that there is a positive and significant effect simulator between the use of instructional media and learning motivation on student assessment. 2. Research Isuddin Sharif, the results show that the use of learning media blended learning has a significant effect on increasing motivation and learning assessment for students. And last Mukhlis Yakub Harap and Yani Sukiriyah, the researcher found that there was a significant positive effective on the use of learning media and learning motivation on student assessment. The following is picture of the constellation of the relationship between variable and the research hypothesis, namely the relationship of variable X1 to student assessment, namely H1. Then the relationship between learning motivation and learning assessment with H2. After that, the relationship of the two variables or the influence of the two variables on student assessment variable in the Office Management Automation Department at 13 Jakarta Vocational School. In chapter 3, I explain the place, time, and method that I will use to the test data that I have found, which is in the student assessment, the 13 Jakarta Vocational School, which is located at State Vocational School 13 Jakarta, which is its location on Street Rawabelong 2A, RT 7, RW 10, Palmerah, Kecamatan Palmerah, City of West Jakarta, Special Capital Region of Jakarta 11480. With the time, I spent research this for 2 months with data collection during December 2022 and January 2023. This study has population of 144 students and research use a sample of 108 students, which will be represent students from each class. This sample was obtained using a simple random technical and the Critch and Morgan formula to find the number of samples. This study, I use quantitative approach and use research method, namely post-test research or research method that look at data from results that already exist or have acquired in the research. Statistical analysis is also carried out using multi-linear analysis method. In this study, the technical used was as a questionnaire or primary and a post-test or research which can be seen from the report card as secondary. Data analysis. The data analysis technical use is multiply linear regression with the stage of data analysis, namely 1. Instrument testing technical, 2. Test requirement analysis, 3. Multiply linear regression analysis, 4. Classic assumption test, and 5. Model feasibility test. For more, chapter 4 is the results and discussion. In this study of respondents with null sex totaling 31 and 69 female. In this study, it was also seen that the component that had the most students with low score was the knowledge component with a value of 51%. The following is the average indicator score for each variable, with the learning media variable has the greatest percentage in the relevance indication, namely 24%, and in the learning motivation variable, the large percent is in the learning needs indicator, namely 22%. And for the learning assessment variable, it is in the effectiveness domain of 35%. In the instrument test, 2 tests were carried out, namely validity and reliability. In the learning media variable, there are 4 statements that drop and 27 are valid. And for the learning motivation variable, there is one statement that drops and 69 statements are valid, and for learning assessment, all statements are valid. Next, for the reliability test, all variables are declared reliable. Next, for the recruitment analysis, it is set that is normally distributed with a value of 0.615, and for the linearity test, all variables are declared linear. For the classic association test, both variables have a tolerance value of 0.939 and a VIV value of 1065, indicating that there is no multicollinearity. And for the heterogeneity test, for the learning media variable with 229, and for the learning motivation variable with a value of 0.280. For data analysis, multilinearity test equipment were carried out with the result of learning motivation had affection on learning assessment with a value of 0.364, and for learning media had a positive effect with a value of 0.241. In this study, it was called that learning media and learning motivation had an effect of 10.7%. In this study, the p-test and t-test we carried out where the p-test concluded that learning media and learning motivation had a simulation a significant effect on student assessment with an if count of 6.217 and sig value of 0.003. And for the t-test, it showed that learning media with calculate the value of 3,274 and a sig value of 0.229 are declared to have a significant effect, and for the motivation variable, it is said to have a significant effect with the count value of 2,115 and a sig value of 0.283. Chapter 5 is closing. Conclusion in is research. 1. There are positive and significant influence with learning media as X1 on learning assessment, so that hypothesis 1 is accept. 2. There is positive and significant influence with learning motivation X2 on learning assessment, so that hypothesis 2 is accept. 3 is positive and significant effect simulation between learning media X1 and learning motivation X2 on learning assessment, so that hypothesis 3 is accept. So this is my final assessment of the thesis. Thank you for watching, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.